Josh's Snack and Candy Reviews here of PEZ. Let's do a review of this, because I really haven't done a review of PEZ before for my channel. I've done a couple of reviews, I think, but not really. So, we got the Game of Thrones, the Iron Anniversary, and Buzz Lightyear, or it's really called just Lightyear, from Disney Pixar. So we're going to try each of the PEZ candy flavors here. I'm not a big fan of their candy, but just for a video here, just to say I've done a review of their candy before. I'm going to open this up and I'll be right back. So I wasn't expecting this to be Dragonfruit flavored. Let's give this a try. So I believe I already tried the other flavors. I'll just try one flavor. There is lemon, strawberry, and cherry. No, lemon, strawberry, and raspberry. But I've already tried the other flavors before. Let's give the Dragonfruit flavor here a try. I mean, it's okay. I'm just not a fan of the candy. I wish you could just buy the toys without having to get the candy. There's always been a part, there's always, not a part, but there's always been, the candy was always, or I was going to say, part of my childhood was to just have the toys instead of the candy. The candy's always been mediocre. It's never been good. It's never been terrible, but it's never been good. Remember when I was a little kid, they never had like the big PEZ promotions like this. They were just individual PEZ in the packages. They still do, but it seems like every time I see PEZ, it's always in like a bigger promotion with other promotions or whatever. So anyway, PEZ candy here.